This was a family camp. She was at home in an apartment. But in the morning, I used to go up to the tailor shop, and my father used to go to his shop. And then they knew that the ghetto was liquidated. They asked a German if they pay him for it, and if they can get something in the ghetto, very, very expensive things they know where some Jews are hidden. So they went with him, and my father actually went to, and he picked up a Sefer Torah. This is the reason why you want, but you couldn't tell the Germans that, come on, I want to pick up a Torah. So they told them that some Jews left some stuff there in the ghetto, and they can get it. So they went with him and with another Jew, and they picked up a Torah, and they paid the German too for not telling nothing, and they brought back to the camp. And what do you call it? Carpenter made a little Oren Kodesh, a little how do you call it? A cupboard, and we stored the Torah into the cupboard, and it was hung in our apartment. And every morning, they sneaked in our apartment, whoever could, and they had these morning services. And my mother used to stand outside the hall and watching if somebody of the Germans or the Lithuanian wouldn't come and disrupt or interrupt or take us away or whatever, because it was against the law to do it. Any group things was against the law. But, you know, my father he liked it, he wanted it to do it, and we all were for it, and my mother worked hard to clean the house that the people should have in the morning services, and at night after work they had services, every day. My father observed Passover, and they were hidden, they were against the law, and they baked some matzos, and only for my father and my mother, but it was expensive. They were made by hand, and cooked and baked in the oven, hidden.